Yo, what's up, guys? Nat here. Super hot and like really hot. I don't know. I guess I'm like on vacation. I'll like show you guys like in the islands and stuff. Living my best life. I'm just recording through my phone, basically. Um, Hopefully I'll be like hiking soon. I'll take you guys on the waterfall trail. There's gonna be like a waterfall trail that I'll be going on, and also hopefully what is it? The boiling point? The boiling rock? What is it? You ever ask a question and nobody answers you? The boiling what? The boiling lake. Apparently, there's only two in the world, so we'll be going to number two. And one in Hawaii and apparently one in Dominica, which is the island that I'll be visiting. So we'll definitely check it out. We'll see what it's about. I look like I'm dying and I got super dark from all this high intensity of the sun and everything. But yeah, I'm gonna probably cut this short and do a mix of various different videos of the travels and stuff like that. But yeah, all right, I'll catch you guys a little bit later. Well, this is what's left of it, but this used to be the market. I guess the main or more likely popular place that everyone, all the tourists and everyone used to come to buy souvenirs and shop for clothes and stuff like that. This is what's left from it after the Hurricane Maria and everything. I'm assuming it used to be more packed up, but as you can see, it's pretty empty. But you can still hear the birds, and you can still see that some people still come and sell here. But there's no hustle and bustle, just kind of quiet and dried out, you know, whatever's left of it. But you can still hear the birds at least. I'm outside. Like, you can see the sign. It's like graffiti. Right up on the water. Like, I gotta show you guys the water. Yo, it looks crazy out here. Like, you can see like the edge of the island, basically. Like, there's the museum. Maybe we'll check out the museum. Basically, that's everything. Do you want to say hi? Hello. That's Mom. We're like on a vacation. As you can see, I'm getting hit with all the heat, and she's just hanging out in the back. Oh, nice. We could definitely take a picture here. Oh, so the pier looks like it's closed. But I'm assuming that like back in the days you could be able to go in there, but it's like pretty much locked. So you can't go in there. But it says no smoking and stuff like that. And they have a camera. But look at how close you can get by the water. Like, basically if you jump down there, you can get into the water. Yo, the water looks crazy. Oh, except for that one bottle over there. I don't know if you guys can see that bottle. Other than that bottle, look how nice it looks. Look at the water. Oh, look, we got some tourists too. I ain't the only one. Looks pretty cool. But hopefully I get to hike up. If I get to hike up, I'll take you guys. Even if I don't get to hike up, I'm like dying of heat. Dying of something. I don't know. But it's so peaceful. Like, other than the heat and stuff like that, I could definitely skate here. The floor and the ground is pretty smooth. How are you liking your vacation?
I love it. Very relaxing.
Yeah. She's living her best life. Except for, you know, Cody's not here, but so I might just, I guess, cut this and maybe add another video in there. Oh, like we're getting the mean breeze right now. I don't know if you guys see that. When you're under shade, it doesn't feel as hot as it would be if you're outside just under the sun. So, but yo, what's up, guys? We about to head up in this long trail. I don't know if you guys can see up the mountain with Mommy Yo, and I guess wish us good luck. But it's like in the middle of the forest, kind of. There's like the bamboo trail in there. Like this looks like a man-made path, basically. What do you think? I think this is gonna be intense. Oh, Jack's Walk Trail. I'm using my good old finger shoes. This is how it looks. Sheesh. I don't know if it's gonna be steps all the way. I'm gonna cut in and out for you guys. Catch you guys when we get closer. So I made it up the hike, and this is what it looks like. It looks crazy. And we have a little bit of history as well. So it seemed like they came together in the end, but more or less there was a battle. And in the defense of Roseau, Morn Bruce Garrison, which I'm assuming was the commander or captain, he brought all the battalions together, all the forces together, and then they came together to defend Roseau, which is the capital of Dominica, in Fort Young. And you could tell Roseau is at the edge right there, kind of where I took you guys earlier. Either earlier in this video and another video. It's like literally by the waterfront. And then Fort Young, which used to be a Young, is like a hotel now, and they call it Fort Young Hotel. That's, I guess, a little piece of history.